I'm gonna put one more thin coat.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
So I am actually gonna pause on that valvo right now because I have this one that actually has to be done here in a few days, and it just gets a repair on the front part of this door. The edge is kind of rolled right here. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that. And then right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna repair this door and get this one finished up and primed up. And I'll get back to that valvo probably tomorrow. I'm gonna put one more thin coat over this and we should be in good shape.